Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by fitting the correct hex key so it seats fully. This prevents rounding. Once done, steady the part with a clamp or your non-dominant hand to keep torque aligned. Make sure the head is clean, use a brush or solvent if needed, because debris or rust reduces bite. Insert the driver fully until it bottoms out, then apply slow pressure before turning. This builds grip and reduces the chance of stripping the screw head. You turn the key slowly counterclockwise, feeling for the screw to break free. Abrupt force can round the corners. If it won't budge, apply penetrating oil at the joint and wait 5 to 10 minutes so the lubricant seeps in. Make sure to keep the driver aligned while increasing leverage. Swap to a T-handle, breaker bar, or socket adapter only when alignment is perfect to avoid cam out. If it starts moving, continue steady turns until the head clears. You finish by backing the screw out in steady small turns so threads come free cleanly. Once it clears, lift it straight out to avoid cross-threading. If the head is stripped, switch to a screw extractor or a reverse-threaded bit. These bite into damaged metal and let you turn the screw out. Should the shaft snap, drill a centered pilot with a left-hand drill bit which may extract the fragment as you drill. If not, consider drilling and tapping for a repair insert.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.